My name is Brock Lofgreen. I'm the hospital director at the Veterinary Emergency and Specialty Hospital of Wichita. We are a veterinary hospital and we run 24 hours a day. We're equipped in such a way to treat critical care cases, emergency cases with animals, and also specialty type cases, whether it be dentistry, surgery, imaging, physical therapy, things like that. My background is from a Western Kansas farm, if you go back that far. And then I went to Kansas State University for undergraduate and also for veterinary school. Graduated in 1997, and in 1997 I also moved to Wichita and started working for the same company I am with now, the Veterinary Emergency and Specialty Hospital of Wichita, and I've been there for the last 21 years, working as an emergency veterinarian and then of course as a hospital director and eventual owner of the practice. Some of the difficult days had to do with seeing a lot of critical cases at once. And cases that may or may not have a chance of doing well afterwards, but also so many times there's financial considerations too. With animals, the insurance for animals isn't quite as prevalent as it is on the human side, the third-party payer. And so we do deal with a lot of financial issues as well. And so yesterday was one of those days where we had animals that had huge needs, but the funding wasn't always there to do what we really felt like was right for the patient. So those are difficult days. The best days are when we are able to make that difference for patients, when we're able to take a bad situation and make it better or fix it, and use our skills and use the people we have to make that happen. And it's very rewarding when we can do that. Can't remember what year it was, probably about 8-10 years ago. I was approached by the Chamber of Commerce, and I thought it sounded like a great idea to be part of a group that promotes our community and promotes the economy of our community, but also give us a chance to promote ourselves and get our name out there and make connections with other groups that may be at the same maturity level with their business or might be able to collaborate with us in certain ways. And we've had several opportunities arise from the Chamber, and so it's been well worth it. I think that's probably the number one reason, is that the collaboration we can have with other companies. My negative wisdom for the community isn't anything new. I think we've all heard it before. It's when you're in business or when you're doing a job or whatever it is, you're going to be more successful if you surround yourself with people that are that have maybe better skills in areas than what you have, or have more wisdom, more knowledge. So surround yourself with good people, smart people, people that can help you accomplish your goals. And don't ever be too full of yourself that you can't see their points of view or use their wisdom and their tools that they provide your business, because that's very important. If we didn't have good people, if I didn't have good people surrounding me that were good at what they do, we would be nowhere near the business that we are, and the company and the veterinary hospital that we are.